Let's look at how to get surveying using Automet right from the beginning. To get started, you will need your Leica total station, the Automet software, and your measuring devices. Let's go through them one by one. There are several different models of instrument that work with Automet. Generally, all older robotic Leica total stations with a GeoComm license will work with Automet. With the current range, only the TS15, TS16, TS60 and TM60 will work. The one we will be using for this video is a TS16 series. To turn on the instrument, it will need a battery. You should have two in the red instrument case. To open the battery compartment on the instrument, twist the black dial here and pull. Place the battery in the battery housing you have pulled out. Make sure the metal contacts are facing outwards and at the top, and push the unit back in, locking it closed. The control panel for each model is slightly different, but all of them will have a labeled on button. Hold this button for a few seconds to turn on. Your instrument requires a GeoComm license to be able to communicate with Automet. To check if you have this license, select Settings, then About Leica Captivate. Scroll down to GeoComm Licenses. Check to see if GeoComm Robotics says yes. If you do not have a GeoComm license, get in contact with your local Leica supplier. Next, you need to decide if you're going to be using Bluetooth or cable to connect to your PC. If you can keep the laptop close to the instrument without causing any tripping hazards, then use the cable. If not, use Bluetooth. To change a TS15 to Bluetooth, select Instrument, Connections, All Other Connections, highlight GeoComm, then press F3 to edit. Select Connect using TS Bluetooth 1, then OK. To change a TS16 to Bluetooth, select Settings, Connections, All Other Connections, highlight GeoComm and select Edit. Use the drop-down to select TS Bluetooth, then OK. If you're using cable, find the port on the underside of the instrument and insert the cable found in the red case. This should be the Leica G-EV267 cable. Insert the other end of the cable into your PC. Cable drivers will usually be automatically downloaded and installed from the internet, but if you have a problem connecting with the cable, then you can download the cable drivers from the MLTech website. This can be performed at the same time as downloading the Automet software. Run this file to install the cable drivers. Now the instrument is ready. To download the Automet Fab software, scroll down on your MLTech dashboard until you see the download link and click it. Extract the package and double-click this icon. Click through the options and the software will install. You should have a dongle provided by MLTech. Put this into one of your free USB slots. This is the key that enables the software to run on your PC. If you have set your instrument to Bluetooth, we need to connect it to the laptop. Go into Bluetooth Connections and click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Select Bluetooth. After a few moments, you should see your instrument come up in the list. When you see it, click it. The code to connect is 0000. Sometimes the instrument itself will ask for the code. If this happens, the code is also 0000. Now everything has been set up, we can run the software. You can check if your instrument is connected by going to Run a Survey, loading a design file, and looking at this box in the bottom right corner. A green box means a successful connection. Red means the instrument and laptop are not connected. If you're not connected, go back and check that everything has been set up correctly. If you have further issues with your setup, please get in touch with us through phone or email.